Welcome to P.L.Raj Ias and Ips Academy. Today we are going to see current affairs on environment and geography. Today's topic is carbon market. Why it is in news? Because the Indian government plans to develop Indian carbon markets by pricing the greenhouse gas emission through carbon credit certificates. So the Ministry of Power and the Ministry of Environment will develop the carbon credit trading scheme for decarbonization. Carbon markets are essentially a tool for putting a price on carbon emission. They establish trading system where carbon credits or allowance can be bought and sold. A carbon credit is a kind of tradable permit that per United Nations standards equals to 1 ton of carbon dioxide removed, reduced or sequestered from the atmosphere. Carbon allowances or caps, meanwhile, are determined by countries or governments according to their emission reduction targets. The United Nations Development Programme released this year noted that interest in carbon markets is growing globally. That is, 83% of NDCs submitted by countries mention their intent to make use international market mechanism to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. There are two types of carbon markets and the compliance market. These are set up by policies at the national, regional, or international level are officially regulated. Entities in this sector are issued annual allowances or permits by government equal to the emission they can generate. If companies produce emissions beyond the capped amount, they have to purchase additional permit, either through official auctions or from companies which keep their emission below the limit, leaving them with surplus allowances. The market price of the carbon gets determined by market force when purchasers and sellers trade in emission allowances. Another type of carbon market is voluntary market. These are markets in which emitters, corporations, private individuals, and others buy carbon credits to offset the emission of the 1 ton of carbon dioxide or equivalent greenhouse gases. Such carbon credits are credited by activities with reduced CO2 from the air, such as afforestation. In a voluntary market, a corporation looking to compensate for its unavoidable greenhouse gas emissions purchases carbon credits from an entity engaged in projects that reduce, remove, capture, or avoid emissions. Thank you.